Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video we will see what are class variable and what are object variable while dealing with classes and objects in Python. First we will create a class. Here we are creating a class employee. After this statement, if you give a variable to store the information directly, then that variable is a class variable. It will have only one memory location. It will be created only once when the class is created, and this variable will be shared with all the object of the class. If you want to access this variable information of this variable, you have to give the class name and the name of the variable. You can see you can access the information. You can also update the information. As it is a class variable, you have to give the class name, dot member access operator, variable name, and the information which is to be updated. Here we are updating count information by 20, and after that we are printing emp.count. This will print 20. So class variable are created once when the class is created. They are called by the name of the class, and this variable is shared with all the objects of the class. Now we will discuss about object variable. Object variable are created when the object of the class is created, and they are unique for all the object which are created. Means if you have three object variables, then those three variable will be at different memory location for one object, and for second object they will be at different memory location. We will cross verify this when we create object of the class using id function. So we create a class employee. In this class, inside method init, which is a constructor which will be called when the object of this class will be created through self, it will initialize it variable which are name and age. Inside this constructor init method, you have self dot name, which will be initialized by the name parameter, and self dot age, which will be initialized by the age parameter. Here we have two object variable, name and age. Here just class is created, emp, you have object variable name and age. Object is not created yet. If we call emp.name, this will throw an error. If we call emp.age, this will also throw an error. If we create object of this class employee, e1 is equal to emp, and pass the information of name and age. Like for our first object, we pass a name first and age as 20, then the object is created. For the second object e2, we call the constructor emp, and we pass the name as second, and you give the age as 30. Second object is created. Here dot should not be there, it should be comma. So the name and age for e1 and e2 are unique for each object, and they are different. Can check e1 dot name, it is first, and e2 dot name, it is second. We can check address of e1 and e2 is different. We print the id of e1, which is ending with memory location is ending with 296. We print the id of e2, which is a memory location ending with 968. means they are not same, they are unique for each object which are created and stored at different memory location. Now we update this class to use count variable. Count is equal to 0, and every time the object of this class is created, we are updating the count information so that we can explain that class variable are shared with all the objects of the class. For example, here we are using class variable, therefore emp variable name count, and it is incremented emp dot count plus 1. Now this is a new class. For this new class, what we do, paste it here in escape control B. We execute this cell, click on the cell, run the cell. Class is created. We create n number of objects of the class. First we create E3 is equal to emp. We pass the name as 1 and age as 10. This is first object after the new updation of the class. Click on the cell, run the cell. Then we create next object E4. The value of name is 2 and value of age is 20. Click on the cell, run the cell. We create one more object E5. Name of the object is 3 and age of the object is 30. You can now see the count variable when you use emp.count. Initially it was 0. After E3, E4, E5 is created, count value should be 3. It is maintaining the count of the objects which are created in this class, and this function init is called when the object is created. So E3 is created, then init is called, name age is initialized and count is updated by 1. Then E4 is created, name age is initialized, count is updated by 1, therefore it is 2. E5 name age is initialized with 3 and 30 via name and age, and emp.count is incremented by 1, therefore after 3 objects the count is 3. So we have seen in this video what is a class variable. Class variable binds to a class it created only once, and it is shared with all the object of the class, and it is accessed by the name of the class. And object or instance variable, they are unique for every object of the class. They are created when the object is created. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Do hit the subscribe button for more such technical content. See you in the next video.